Hello friends, welcome to C Sharp Intermediate to Advanced tutorial. You are watching the sub-series for one-click install and C# application publishing. In this video, we will see how to publish update to the client. So since the update takes place on the common shared location, all the client who installed this application will receive this update notification. Now we will proceed. So in the very first video, we learned about the basics of one-click install and C# application publishing. In the next video, we created the exe. Then we published it to a network share location. After that, we installed that published application in the client workstation using the file protocol and that we typed in the web address of a web browser. Now we will do the update. Update in the sense we will do the publishing update on the same location, and we will also see how client get the notification. So when there is an update, it will be published to the same location. That means we are not going to change any of the settings. We will change our application. We will call this as a update because we will change the version numbers. Then we will publish the application to the same location. I mean, here the location what we picked is the network location, and here the same network location we will publish this update. For minor update, we can provide option for client to install the update or skip the update. So if they are skipping, they will still using the old version. Alright, in this video we will change the grid.exe to have a skin update. In the previous video we saw the background for the grid.exe is in gray color. Now we will change that to have a blue color, and we will change the version number as 1.1.2.0. As you see, it's a minor update, and through the publishing wizard we will choose the option so that client will get notification about this update. So about this update in the sense the skin update, they can either pick or they can skip it. They have the liberty of skipping this update. Now we will go to the demo. Here is our grid.exe. First we will change the skin. So we will change the back color to blue and forecolor we will choose it as white. Then for this button we will choose back color as blue and forecolor as black. Then for the text box we will change the background color as red, or we will leave it as white and we will change the forecolor to red. So forecolor is red. Now we will change the font also. Here I am choosing monospaced typewriter and I am choosing 11. If that is not good, then we will choose some other font. We'll choose a regular font 12. Next, we'll go to Solution Explorer. Then we will go for properties. Note here, I'm not choosing the solution, I'm choosing the project, right clicking it, then selecting properties. First, we will go to application. In the assembly information, we will change the version to 2. So on the slide, I shown a different version, but here it will be more meaningful to have the version like this. We'll save this. The same way, we will go here in the property. We will choose 1.2.0. Then once again we will go to this grid properties. Then we will go to the publish. We will choose the major version as 1, minor version 2, build 0, and revision also 0. Here we are choosing the updates. This application should check for update. This is the option we are choosing. Then we will go ahead with the default option before the application starts. So this option will be useful. Choose this option to ensure that users who are connected to the network always run with the latest update. That means here they will get notification actually. So before application start, in the sense when they start the application, during the application load, the application will check the network location and make sure there is no update. If there is a update, then before displaying the UI, it will intimate the user that there is a update available. So based on that notification, user can either install the new version or they can skip the new version and stick with the old version. After application starts, choose this option to speed up application start time. So update will not be installed until the next time the application is run. All right, now we will click OK here. We'll do save all, build, rebuild the solution. And if you see, the location is still same, and I'm going for publish now option here. Let me pin it, clear all. We will go for publish now option. So if you see here, connecting to install location, publishing file, publish success. And this is the location for the end user that we need to share. Here, since we are building it, it is showing up on the build machine. So this is, in our case, build machine as well as client workstation, both are same. Usually this location will be shared to the end user. Now let's assume that the user is in a different machine. I think we have to publish it again because I am seeing a star here. We'll click save all, build, rebuild solution. We'll do publish now once again, and now we see the 1.2.0.1. Now here if you see, we are seeing version as 1 because it is internal build. And if you rebuild this once again, rebuild the solution, internal build is set 2 now. All right, we'll copy this. let's say, now let's assume that the end user is opening this web browser. They can manually check is there any version change. Here, by looking at this, they may come to know that there is a new version available. They can choose install here, or if they are not going to that web location, they can directly start the exe. The exe will automatically check that location, and you will see that. So here it is checking that location and states that application update available, application update, a new version of Greet is available, do you want to download it now? Here if you see, user has the option to download and install it, that's okay. And here is the skip. If I choose a skip, next time onwards it won't check for this update and they will still use the old version of the application. So for now I will do the skip. Here if you see, the skin update is not available. Now let me go here and make some size adjustment. Save all. Then go to property as usual. This time I will be doing it somewhat faster. Assembly information, the version is 3. Okay. Next we are going to publish. Then update, we are not making any change. Here we are making 1.3 and internal build we will reset it to 0. Save all. Build, rebuild the solution. Nothing got failed. Now I am publishing it. Let's close this. This time the user is choosing Greet again. The version got changed. So once again it is saying that do you want to download it. This time user is choosing OK. The application is updating Greet, and you can see the new version is available and the version is 1.2. I forgot to update this title. Okay, we will leave that for now. So John David, and you can see all the update is taking place. Hello John David. So this is the way user can get notified about the update, and you can see how the user skipped the update in the first time, and in the next time for 1.3 version they did they picked the update. So I'm going to caption and changing it to 1.3. So that's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.